So in this video, I'm going to be discussing standard algorithm. We discussed standard algorithm for 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication in topic 4. Standard algorithm is just literally the standard way of solving the problem. It's going to be the way that the majority of your parents were taught how to solve multiplication. It's how I got taught to solve multiplication in school also. So as you can see, I've already started the problem. And the first thing that I did was I multiplied 9 times 2. Now 9 times 2 is 18. I put my 8 here and my 1 here. So much like when you add, you want to make sure you are putting it in the correct place value. I carried my 1 over. I don't want to put 18 here because I still have to multiply my 9 by 4 or 40. So 9 times 40 is 36. Or 9 times 4 is 36, plus 1 is 37. So it now goes here. So it's right now 378. Now, the next thing I must do is add a 0 in the ones place because I'm done with the ones place. I've already distributed the 9 to the 2 and to the 4 or the 40. So now I move over to the 10. And I have 1 times 2 or 10 times 2, which is 20 or 2. The digit is a 2, it's in the tens place, the value is 20. Next, I'm going to want to multiply 1 times 4 or 10 times 4. And 1 times 4 is 4. Now, one common mistake that I've seen is not using whatever you carry over or using it more than once. So one thing that I will say is a very good idea and a good strategy to use is after you multiply 9 times 2, you get 18, 9 times 4, you get 36, and then add your 1, cross it out. You've already used it, you don't need it anymore. Then when you go to multiply your next numbers or your next digits, you don't have to worry about what did I do with this 1? Sometimes we start a math problem and then we go back to it later on, or maybe we're checking our work. So when we're doing that, sometimes we're writing these numbers and we don't really know where they even came from or if we use them or not. So cross it out when you're all done. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add these two numbers. These are also called my partial products. Now, because we've done 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication in so many different ways, you've seen partial products in groups of 4 with 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. However, these are still considered partial products because they really are just part of the product. So I'm going to add these two numbers, and my answer is 798. Again, this is using standard algorithm for 2-digit by 2-digit numbers, multiplying 2-digit by 2-digit numbers.